Capricorn, 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 September 1 to 7. Yes, magandang umaga po, tanghali, hapon. Sa mga OFW, welcome to Scorp's Work Tarot. So, magkapihan po tayo. Knock, 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 Capricorn. So, hope everybody is well. Kung nasaan man po tayong lugar na o bansa, welcome. Kuha na kayo ng kape at magkwentuhan po tayo sa aking channel. Yes. So, this is one way for me to connect sa mga fellow OFW. OFW din po kasi ako. So, alam ko yung pinagdadaanan. Right? Ano lang tayo? Laban. Another busy week. Pagod. So, actually, nagkaroon ako ng slight flu this week. Pero okay na. At madami talagang trabaho. But I'm grateful, thankful. Yes? Yes. Kailangan natin yan. Kailangan natin ng but we need to learn how to relax. Relax. Balance lang siguro. Pero minsan yung demand ng trabaho is complicated. So walang choice. Hindi pwedeng umangas. Tama po ba? Tama ba, Capricorn? Okay. Ano naman yung pinaplano mong gawin? May message. Meron pang ganyan? Ano ba yung you want to go to another adventure? May adventure in a sense na may bagong boyfriend, girlfriend? Meron ka bang dinedate, Capricorn? Mayaman ba? May pera? O ikaw yung marami ng ipon? Or gusto mo nang bumalik sa Pilipinas at meron kang mas magandang pagkakitaan? O you just want to go back sa family mo dahil namimiss mo na yung anak mo o yung boyfriend mo or your husband or somebody back there, o kukunin mo na sila? It can work both ways. It's either you are happy or okay na ang sitwasyon mo sa lugar mo, and you just miss the yung buhay mo sa Pilipinas. Kaya ready ka nang to bring them kahit na magbakasyon, or there's an exchange here, o baka nakaipon na yung nasa Pilipinas at ready na silang magbakasyon dyan para sa Pasko to spend those kind of things. So and it requires a lot of money as well. So gagawin mo ba yun o wag muna? So there's this energy na you want to do it or wag muna, or nadadala ka lang ng emosyon kasi meron kang regret yung kulang. Okay, ito yung miser mentality na sinasabi ko, na sana ganun pa din. Okay? Kasi natapon yun yung mga missed opportunities missed opportunities na to be with your special loved ones. Okay? Or yung missed opportunities na hindi mo nagawa because of the time. Mga ganyang elemento yan. And merong message na there's a message, whatever it is, related to sa emotion natin. It's very well connected sa emotion mo, yung attachment. there's also this element of give and take. Okay? It looks like na kung sino man yung tinulungan, kung ikaw ito or ikaw yung nakaka-receive ng tulong, so meron ng opportunity for these people to return the favor. Yeah. So, balance na. Yes. So, kung ano yung binigay mo, maibabalik na. Kung baga sa nagpautang, nakatulong ka, ibabalik din kung ano yung pinautang sa'yo. Hindi, not necessarily na pera po iyan. Yes? Yan ang energy. Yan ang energy ngayon ni Capricorn. Meron bang ganyan ngayon, Capricorn? Tingnan natin yung life story nito, ha? Makichismis tayo. Kwentuhan po tayo. So, shout out po sa mga OFW kung nasaan po kayo, kung nagre-resonate. Wag nating seryosohin yung tarot. It's a depiction of ng buhay ng tao yan. Pero again, iba-iba po yung timeline natin. So, kamusta na yung Pilipinas aside from the news ng mga corruption daw sa mga DPWH? Watching those, minsan nakakapagod na. Hindi na news po sa akin yan dahil nasa kolehiyo pa ako way back naglalakad na ako sa baha. At salpukan sa mga sumasakay sa MRT. Yan, alam ko yung na yan, tulakan. Di ba? Yun ang something na hindi ko mamimiss siguro. Di ba? Kaya, hindi mo mamimiss yan sa abroad actually. Kung nandiyan ka na, be thankful for that. Hindi. Mahirap din yun natin sa Pilipinas na ganong sitwasyon. Hindi. It's more even depressing. Wala ka ng pera, ganun pa yung mo. Yes. So, meron kang naaalala sa past. I think this is more family, Capricorn. Yes. Kids, family, or anybody sa bahay na iniwanan mo. Or sila yung nakakaalala sa'yo. So, somebody, kung ikaw man yung energy na ito is you want to go for it. Pinag-iisipan mo ito. Pinag-iisipan mo or pinaplano. Nasa stage na sige na. Alam mo yung tipong what if? Yes? What if kung gawin ko ito pero ito yan. Pero magastos. Pero those what if moment. Meron bang ganyan, Capricorn? Tignan natin ko pa tayo. Okay. Inaayos mo na ito. Mukhang nasa drawing board mo na ito Merong bagong darating. If it's work-related, ito yung tipong yung proyekto. Halimbawa, meron kang bagong, sa mga F&B, mga chef or cook or whatsoever. So, meron kang bagong menu. Yes? So, menu na yun is, let's say, related to your something. Niluto mo siya nung kasal mo or something, or yung mga ganun tipo. And you want it to be part of the menu noong pinagtatrabaho mong restaurant. Yes? So, yun ang niluluto mo. Pero hinihintay mo lang yung clarity kung ito ay ma-approve pa later on. Na you have this feel na baka pwede naman. Or mga ginawa mong project noong sa Pilipinas and okay naman siya at pwede na-implement mo and you want to do it here as well kung nasaang lugar ka ngayon sa kumpanya. You were given that opportunity. Maybe meron bang ganyan? It can be it can be an opportunity coming from something, and then it opens up to you na ikaw naman yung magke-create. Sa office, ikaw naman yung mag-lead ngayon. Now, sabi nung amo, okay, ano tayo, open tayo ng isa pang branch sa ganyang-ganyang lugar. Oh, ikaw, okay, Capricorn, ikaw naman yung mag-lead niyan. And all of a sudden, meron kang personal, lahat naman tayo may personal interest sa lahat ng aspeto. You thought, oh, sana nandito sila. For me siguro to celebrate this type of new venture, or ito na yung aking opportunity to bring them here. Yes, so there was a give and take. Give and take, maaring sa opisina, or yung mga tinulungan mo naman, sila naman yung mag-give at hindi naman puro take ng take. Because yung darating na yon, once you venture out to that opportunity na gusto mong puntahan, mag-explore ka rito, exploration stage, you have the opportunity also to create something. Kumbaga sana ikaw na yung leading role. Yes, meron bang ganyan, Capricorn? Tingnan natin, ano itong mina-magic mo na ito, Capricorn? Ano itong mina-magic mo na ito? Gamitin ko itong isang card ko. This is interesting. Capricorn, knock. Tingnan natin. Ano ba yung mina-magic ni Capricorn na yun niluluto? Nag-alchemy ka Yan yung manifestation na tinatawag. Parang kung bago ka naging OFW, minanifest mo yung trabaho na yan pero marami pa ring proseso. Ayan na kung ikaw yung provider, si tatay, si nanay, or si kuya o si ate na nagpo-provide on good, that's what you want also in your life. You are creating your foundation na happy and walang problema sa kabuhayan. Tama po ba? Very simple, di ba? Very, very realistic itong reading na ito. Pero may hinihintay kang clarity o dumating na. Kasi dumating, ayan na yung Ace of Swords Kung walang new beginning, walang how do you call it? Kung yung new beginning na yan, merong natapos. Kumaga sa meron na ng proseso na nangyari. Kaya may new beginning. Tama po. Meron bang ganyan, Capricorn? Check natin kung ano ba yung mina-magic mo, Capricorn. Connected to sa past past life. No, is that past life? Yung nakaraan. Yung family or kaibigan or prior to this situation, bago ka dumating dito sa sitwasyon na ito, yung narrative, ano ang dahilan kung bakit ka nandyan ngayon sa sitwasyon na yan. Yes, yung purpose mo, I think it's more on your purpose. Tingnan natin. Capricorn, September 1 to 7. Magkape-kape po tayo weekend. So laba-laba today. Ito na naman siya taga-alchemy, but it requires you the patience. Kung malaking decision ito, anything na the full card show up, malaki itong na ito, decision na to. Hindi ito yung something na okay, tatalon ako dito and then bahala na ang langit. No. Well, there's an element of bahala na, pero you are calculating it also. Being, I know Capricorn, medyo calculating din yan. Agree? Tama ba? Pero meron kang niluluto. You're on the right path. That's all I can see here. Because because of that balance. Okay, you see that, you see that Gabriel the angel. Okay, that's the one. That's a balancing cup of emotion. I think I have another message here. Balancing cup of emotion and also balancing on the financial, on the realistic aspect. Because bago ka pumunta sa isang situation, even let's say magpapakasal ka or magsasama na kayo, maging practical ka pa rin, and that's the practical side of it. And also, dapat ready ka rin emotionally. Pine-prepare mo yung sarili mo dito, Capricorn. Emotionally, kung ano man ang merong element of doubt as well. I don't see the element of fear here. Alam mo yung eventuality na baka meron kang agad solution. Meron kang agad solution o hinahanap mo. Gusto mo na maging ready. You just want to have that balance, and I think you are ready for that one. The two element of alchemy here. Okay, ito yung tina-transform po natin yung ating pangarap sa sa daigdig, because it's not easy. Yes, alam mo yung Capricorn. Kuha pa tayo. Binabalanse mo yung elemento dito kasi meron kang yeah. Ito meron kang miser mentality Meron kang regret somehow in the past. I think that's also one of your ano ba tawag? Yung kinakatakutan. Put it that way. You don't want that anymore. Lahat naman tayo ayaw na yun. Tama ba, Capricorn? Sino ba? Ayan na. Yung sun na. You're on the right path. Whatever it is, sana all moment ito. Nakatanggap ka na ba ng migration or yung mga dokumento mo sa abroad, dyan sa bansa na yan? Kung nasa Europa ka? Marami. Ganyan, it's one of the purpose kaya ka nag-abroad, di ba? Very specific itong istorya na ito. Pero maraming tatamaan because that's basically what life is all about. Agree? Pero meron kang moment alit na I can sense this intent of yung bahala na, tatalon ako kaya pupuntahan ko yan. Hindi, this is not the first time that you did it. Marami kang ganyang moments. Kumbaga sana eksperto ka na dyan, pero meron ka pa rin somehow na that element of, reassuring. This is aside from miser mentality na sana ganun pa din, pero you don't see that yung offer pa na another cup which is way better than what was lost. Natapon na yun kalimutan mo na yun, pero medyo sumisingaw-sungaw pa rin siya. Pero hindi mo napansin yung isa na nandyan pa, and that's your ace of sword here, yung clarity and another moment of opportunity for you. Kung bagong trabaho yan or bagong assignment, so may fear, definitely I understand that, pero niluto mo ito hindi ito dumating sa'yo because of bumagsak sa lap mo na ganon lang. Yes, meron bang ganyang Capricorn? Tignan natin kung ano yung ina-alchemy mo. And then, what is that message from a childlike person? Oops, sorry po. Capricorn, what's that message? Meron bang ganyang message ka sa or a kid? Do you have a kid, Capricorn, or somebody younger? So anything na makaka-resonate po, i-relate natin dun sa timeline ng storyboard natin. Teka pa. Bigyan mo pa ako, Taro. Capricorn, bigyan mo pa ako. Knock, knock. Inaantok pa rin siya because it's Sunday. You work hard for it, na-bore ka na din. Keep doing the same thing. It's the routine. Yung mundane work. You know na, pero you have to keep your balance in terms of your emotion. You want to have that level of readiness. Kung ano man yung pupuntahan mo. Readiness. Kailangan ready ka. Kailangan ready ka. Shout out po tayo kung ano yung something big na yung Capricorn. Shout out tayo. Tingnan natin if that, okay. Yeah. Sana all moment ito, Capricorn. A family who is abundant and walang ano na. You even have your dog. Lumitaw yung aso din dito eh. Ito siya oh. That's why I like this card actually. Light Seer. Yeah. So, it's not necessarily pet. Pwede rin ito yung if you have to dream to build, let's say, a clinic for, let's say, animal shelter, or ikaw yung tipong who grew up in a nice farm with so many, typical picket fence sa isang laid back small county in Europe or in America. That's what I can sense here. Meron ka bang nabiling lote sa bandang, kumbaga, sa Sicily or sa mga, sa ano bang mga lugar yung maraming cattle farms sa Alberta or sa Scotland, mga ganyan tipo. And you have herding sheep and, with grapes. Yeah, napakagandang, biglang pumasok yung grapes, wine. Yeah, because there's grapes here. That's a very Tuscany feel. And the alchemy is also making that wine. Water turned into wine. And that grape color of the magician who is doing the alchemy as well. Oh, wow. Capricorn, nasa winery ka ba? Or that's very interesting. And I find this woman also just like, it's a wine is you have to ferment it. You finally have that investment. Okay, whatever it is, it's something big for you. So, September 1 to 7, kukuha pa ako ng Capricorn ng oracle card. Tingnan natin yung last message kay Capricorn. Kung ano pa yung sasabihin ng moon. Some word of moon advice. Okay, ibigyan mo ako oracle card. Bigyan mo ako. Okay. Ilan siya? Okay, tatlo. Okay. So, Capricorn, sabi ng Scorpio moon. Okay, ko lang yung camera. Sabi dito, ayan negative attitudes and fiery arguments are possible at this time. Channel your energies into positive physical activities like decorating or gardening. Pero bang ganyan? Magpahinga ka daw or mag-garden ka, which is very sinabi ko lang yung Tuscany about grapes and Italian type. Okay, another one here. The path has been cleared for you to make a change but previously seemed unachievable. Yes, okay. Ito na yan. Clear na daw siya. Lumundag ka. You have that alchemy of the magician because you can create it. You can create it. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible anymore. You have this temperance card. You have the attitude, emotionally balanced, and you have the magician who have all the tools. There's nothing more perfect than this, Capricorn. Ayan, sinabi na, hindi ko na yan, hinokus-pokus, binigay na nung owl. Ano sabi ng owl? Tignan ko, ko yung camera. A crisis will allow you to look into yourself and make an important revelation. Okay, I think that's your magician moment, and you're full. So whatever it is na crisis, okay, that's your deciding point to really go for it. And I think you are very well prepared. You are very well prepared. You have that whatever crisis is that is moving towards to that clarity. I think that's the revelation. You have that clarity. You have that emotional connection to somebody. There was a message, most likely kung ano man ito it's related to your family, something close to you. Na medyo nag-emote ka, Capricorn. Sana hindi nangyari yung natapon na tasa. But I don't have a choice except to get that big tasa. Ika nga. Because whatever you've been doing in the past years of your life, this is all about family and whatever your vision to the past life you have. Maaring if you've been separated, or your family, you want to give them, provide a better home, and this is the opportunity for you to rise to that yung sitwasyon mo, because nakuha mo na yung balance and you are ready for that one. Oh, tama ba? Meron bang ganyan, Capricorn? Ready na. So, yeah. So, thank you, Capricorn. Shout out po tayo kung nasaan tayo. Pasensya na, meron akong sipon pa. Yeah, September 1 to 7. Mamaya magtututlog ako. Capricorn, salamat po.